Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to the Daily Shlog. Sorry we missed yesterday. I just didn't get anything filmed. Sorry about that. But we are here today. It's Saturday. It's another beautiful day in Western Colorado. We got our friend Brain Damage here. The angriest man is super angry. Look at him. He's about to hit someone with that fork tube. And today, since it's Saturday and I have a little bit of time, I'm going to work on my bike. So I'm going to go grab the KTM and we're going to put a few parts on it. And then I might be putting tires on the YZ too. So this video today, by the way, is brought to you by Nuetech Nitro Mousse because they gave me another set of mousses for my YZ. So maybe try to get those tires on there because I really appreciate Jeff at Nuetech helping us out a ton here. They've been helping us at this channel since way back, and I really appreciate it. So yeah, I got a set of platinum mousses to put on the YZ too, but let's start with the KTM Daisy. All right, so we got the shrouds and the old radiator guards off. Take a look there. They were good, honestly, really good shrouds, radiator protectors from SRT, but these are way better and way cooler looking. So I'm excited. Again, massive thanks to Nate at Bulletproof Designs for these. These are hands down the best guards. I've mentioned it before, but they are lifetime replacement warranty. It doesn't mean it's completely free to replace it. You might have to pay shipping or a little service fee, but the most I've ever paid for replacement parts like 20 bucks. So they're awesome. They've got great protection. I'll show you how we mount these up. So I'm currently struggling a little bit because the pipe is bent up so much that it's holding everything up. So I'm actually going to replace this pipe today anyway, so I'm going to take that thing off and make this job a lot easier. Watch out! Just grab the camera. Alright guys, so we got this one on. Check it out. It's super easy. These things are so easy to replace, and they're so much better than the stock or anybody else. Just bolt there, just in the stock places. And these holes line up where the other ones were, so the shrouds will go right on. Like I said, super easy install. And what I like also is that they have this nice guard right here. Really helps with any kind of impact this way, keeping your radiator from leaking. Quick note on why I run radiator guards. It's not because they save me money. They might, keeping a radiator from breaking, but that's not why I run them. I run them because I don't want to lose time on a ride. I don't want to crash, get a bend in my radiator, and then, or a hole in my radiator or something like that, and then have to quit my ride. That's really the only reason I run them. It's not to save money. It's so that I don't have to stop riding. Alright guys, so got both radiator guards on, new pipe. I run the SRT pipes mainly because they're cheap. They're 150 bucks for a pipe and they're really strong. They're kind of heavy, but they're strong. It takes them a while to get dented up. The last one got pretty hammered up in South Dakota and it's been on there for a long time. So gonna put a new one on, and it just makes the bike look real nice and you got a new pipe on there. Look at that. Always nice to have a new pipe on. So now the pièce de résistance. I got new radiator shrouds. They're nothing special, but they're just gonna look really nice. Got my name on them now, so pretty stoked. And white background, so yeah, looks awesome. All right, guys, quick tech tip on installing plastics or anything with multiple bolt holes that all has to go on is what you don't want to do is tighten any one of them down before you get all of them started, because you do that, it's way harder to like move the thing around and try to like get it in place. So I just leave them all a bit loose. Now I got to put the front ones in the where it goes into the radiator guard. And once those are all started, then we can tighten them down. Just a quick tip. I know probably most of you know that, but it really helps when putting stuff like this on. There we go, guys. Daisy is looking good. Got fresh rear Michelin Star Cross on there. I rode it last night up on the plateau, but pretty fresh. Still running the IX09 Dakota gummy front tire from IRC because it's still in decent shape. Yeah, everything else is ready to rock and roll, guys. So I think if I got time, I want to put tires on the old YZ now. Zach is finishing up basically a restoration project over here on this KTM. We're missing a couple things, but all new, everything, fork seals, going through the whole thing. Been sitting for quite a long time, so getting that all dialed in, and then we'll move on to the next project. All right, guys, we've got the YZ up on the lift. Her name, by the way, is Jolene, if you don't know. Jolene and Daisy are my two little bike girls, and I'm gonna start with just a rear tire. I don't really think I have time to get them both done today, but I've been thinking about it, trying to figure out what tire I'm gonna run, and I decided that I have I decided that since I am planning a 250 shootout very soon, so get ready for that. Make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a straight up shootout between the KTM 252 stroke and a YZ 252 stroke here very soon. All the similarities, all the differences, and then we're going to go race them on a predetermined loop up on the plateau that I've got planned out, and just see which one's faster. That's all there is to it. It's going to be me riding the bikes, and we're going to do that. So that's going to be awesome. Because of that, I figured I'd at least do similar tires. So I'm going to be doing a Michelin Starcross 5 medium and the Nitro Platinum Mousse. So let's get this mousse changed, and then that's probably going to be about the end of the day. Zach is working on a very rare motorcycle. It's a Suzuki RMZ, which you wouldn't think it'd be that rare, but around here, that's an incredibly rare bike. And I think he might be angry because that's how he was born. But what do you do? Oh, you're adjusting valves, right?
Yeah, check the oil check out.
Check out good? Cool. I've changed the mousse on here a whole bunch of times, but why not show you guys again how we do it here at Highland Cycles. One of the keys is this setup right here. Having a nice stand is really nice. You definitely don't have to by any means, but this thing just makes it way, way easier. There we go. And again, with this stand, you don't really, you just take this little bit off, and then use this to push it the rest of the way. Just like that. Probably one of the coolest parts of that stand is the fact that you can just force it down and off like that. It just makes it way faster instead of having to try to take the rest of the bead off with tire iron. So anyway, that's huge. Now we're going to take a Nitro Mousse. It's the NM18305 into a Michelin Starcross 5 medium. That's a 110/118. That to me is just the right fit. It's a little stiff at first, but then it settles in and gets really good. I always like it when I get Nitro Mousses from my boys at Nitro Mousse, because they always send me extra stickers and things like that. Oh, but then old Jeff, t-shirts galore, and lots of extra lube. Haha, thank you, Jeff. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. So stoked. All right, I'm gonna keep one of these t-shirts for myself. The other ones I'm gonna give away. So make sure you subscribe here on the channel and pay attention, because I'll be doing a giveaway for some free Nitro Mousse shirts here real soon. I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna do it, so I'm not gonna do it on this video, but very soon I'll be doing a Nitro Mousse t-shirt giveaway. Thank you, Jeff. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. So one of the complaints I've had with Nitro Mousse, or any of the mousse companies, Michelin, Pirelli, all of them, is that they don't send enough lube. And I've told the owner of Nitro that so many times, that every time he sends me mousses, he sends me lots of extras. So I like to put just a ton of it on there. I know you don't need it per se, but it really does seem to make them last longer. So yeah, I'm really stoked. Thank you so much. Let's get this thing lubed up and put in. Sweet rim lock. Get the rim lock hooked on there. There we go. So what I'm doing right there is I'm just getting the mousse and everything down into the drop center so it's all nice and level, okay? So now the rim lock is right here. I'm gonna bring it to right here so that I can use this to push on, but we'll push it just over to the side, and we're gonna use this hook to hold part of the bead down. Tire irons. You can actually do it with less. For me, it's easier with 4, and I have lots, so why not? So I try to go pretty far, not leave a whole lot of bead left, so it's pulling really hard tension there. Then the other nice thing about this tire machine is you come around here, that's across from this, and then you use this to push that down into the drop center, which is going to give us the room we need to finish this off. We're going to come back over here, but we need to push the rim lock in, so bring it back to this part of the stand so I can push on it. Go. Just like that. All right, now I'm gonna put the wheel back on the bike. It's way past time. I'm supposed to be out of here about an hour ago, but we had a bunch of people come in at the end of the day. Sold a couple bikes to people. Super awesome day. So yeah, I'm gonna put the wheel back on the bike and I'll hit you guys with an outro. All right, got to push some bikes in here real fast. Hey, by the way, I got a new mic for this camera. It's up here where you guys can't see it. It's got one of those dead cat things on it. Let me know what you think about the sound today. I've been using it all day. I'd love to know what you guys think. So comment below what you think about the sound. Also comment below what you think about the new camera. I've gotten some good feedback from you guys. I'd love to hear more. Thanks a lot. So push these bikes in here. Oh, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Another awesome week here at Highland Cycles. Really stoked about having the YZ all ready to rock and roll. The Henson clutch is amazing. Now I got a good rear tire. I'll put a new front tire on it next week. The KTM with all the new shiny graphics, radiator guards. It's all prepped and ready to go. So, like I said earlier, make sure you stay tuned for the 250 shootout that is coming. I got to find a little bit of time to go shoot that thing, but I got an idea of where we're going to do it. It's going to be awesome. Like I said, we're going to cover all of the similarities, all the differences, all the pros and cons about each bike, and then we're just going to freaking race them. I'm going to take them. I got a loop on the plateau that I'm going to do. And I'm going to do it on the YZ and on the KTM. I'm going to do it twice on each so that we get real results. And I'm just going to hammer down and see how fast I can do it and see which one see which bike actually makes me go faster up in the mountains. So I'm excited about that. It's going to be a lot of fun. Again, stay tuned for the t-shirt giveaway. Again, massive thank you to Nitro Mousse for the shirts and the mousses and all the support over all these years. They've been supporting this channel from the get-go. Thank you guys so much. If you're interested in supporting this channel financially so we can do more shootouts, more trips, more things like that, I'll put a card right up here. Check out our Patreon page. You can support us there. But honestly, what I really want you guys to do is to subscribe, which is totally free. Click that notification bell and just be stoked about dirt bikes. That's what I am. I'm stoked about dirt bikes all the time. I just want more people riding them. You guys all know what I'm going to say. I want you to get out, spread the gospel of two wheels, and most importantly, I really hope that what I'm doing here at this shop and Zach's helping me do and all the people that I ride with are helping you do, I really hope that we are helping to inspire you guys to get out and ride your dirt bikes!